like the basket color.
I appreciate it. It's actually...
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I didn't want to open while it was playing.
It was just on load. Okay. That's cool.
You used to have a seat pillar, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Wow, you have a big difference. Okay.
Yeah, it's a 418 X's V3s, six door. It's a 10-20-40.
Wow.
It's on a 2 solid case.
Oh, there's a 6th back port there. Who built this?
I did.
Nice. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, happy with it. I'm gonna play with the loading wall here and there, you know.
Yeah. Oh, this is a big port. Any windshield issues yet? Oh, yeah.
I lost 3 windshields last year. I'm not doing
Man, yeah. Dang. What are the tunings on this box?
It's 20-40.
20-40.
20 on the side, 40 here.
Okay. And the amplifiers are at what? 1 ohm inch, half ohm, or?
They're at 1.6 the amps and 1.8 amps.
Okay. Okay.
That's right.
Got it. Oh, so you have, okay. Got it. Nice.
Solid 8 case.
Yeah. Really good cone here. Have you ever tried mounting these regular to see a difference? You haven't? Okay. I don't know if you would want
to just try it, but
yeah, that's a lot of work to do that. Yeah. Nice. Where'd you get these braces from?
I actually built them.
Okay. Pretty cool.
Good tractor supply.
Tractor supply. All right. Yeah, the top links. Yeah, that's where they get them. Yep. So you load off of one window, and then one window open to play the lows.
I don't have to on these right here, but it makes it a little bit better.
Yes, sir.
Now, like if I play down in the deep in the teens, definitely.
Yeah. If you're not careful, I've seen glass break from the metal hitting. You have to be careful with that. Wow. Awesome. Thank you, Thomas, right?
Yes.
I remember your name. All right. I'm going to go look under your hood in the back real quick. Yep.
Last year.
Yeah, man.
It's ugly. I haven't cleaned it.
It's okay. Nice. Take a picture. I like the basket color.
I appreciate it. It's actually Jetty's idea. That in the front.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready and I'll play.
I'm ready. Sure. Got one more for me?
It's not too bad for 418s.
It's efficient too.
It blew the window out of the seal. I had to fix it real quick.
Oh yeah, I always hated when they do that at demos, yeah. If you're not careful, I've seen glass break from the metal hitting. You have to be careful with that. Wow, awesome. Thank you, Thomas, right?
Yes.
I remember your name. All right.
It's ugly. I haven't cleaned it.
It's okay. Nice. Take a picture. I like the basket color.
I appreciate it. It's actually Jenny's idea. That in the front.
Yeah.